Welcome. When you're exploring lessons after you get onto staging and you log in and you add your buddies and by clicking on the add button and you've enrolled in a course, the other thing that you have to do is explore the lessons, right? If you go to my desk and you see the lessons that you have, the one kind of lessons that you will get is this kind of page. Whatever you have enrolled in will come on this page of my desk. If you click on Explore, then you will get all the courses that are available. Once you have clicked on Explore, so for instance, all of these courses are going to be available to you on the page of Explore. My Desk takes you to the courses that you are already enrolled in. To click and resume a course, you can just go to Continue and it will take you to the place that you last left off in. You can click on the course and you can see how many courses you have completed, right? I have completed lesson 0, lesson 1, lesson 2, and out here I have not completed something. There is an orange button that shows me that the lesson is in progress. If I click on the plus, which is to the left of lesson 3, I can see, if you notice, right? If I click on this plus button, this is what happens. I will get all my activities in terms of whatever I have completed, and it will tell me what I have not completed. I can click on that, and it will take me to the page that I have left it off with, right? So for instance, if I am on unit lesson 3, and I have completed this activity of open story, I can go to Think and Write. I can click on this. And once I've completed the activity, for instance, I will click on Discuss button here. It is asking me what did I learn in the lesson, what was easy for me, and what was difficult for me. And I would say Discuss. I'll click on it. I would say question number 1. It was, I learned how to describe better. Picture play was easy for me. I found open story to be challenging. So once I have written this, I can click on post. And now I see that all my friends, not just me, Blue Whale, but also Black Apple and Black Ant, have all been recorded as having written this. And so ideally, I guess I should write we. So I can click on the edit button out here and I can click on we learned, right? And was easy for us. And we found And so once I click on it and I go down, I scroll down the page and I click on save, right? It's right here and I click on save and it would have saved all of this. If I want to edit, all I have to do is go to this part here, this entire part here and click on edit. If I want to delete, I can just delete my answer. I can also write another answer. For instance, each one of us could write an answer. And so I could say this is Black Ant's answer, since I am Blue Whale. Black Ant says, 1, I learned how to use the open story. 2, I found open story tool easy to use. I found the picture play activity difficult to complete. Right? Once I have done this, all I have to do is click on post, which is right at the end of it. See? Notice? This is at the end. And so I will have to just click on post. And I've clicked and it's there. So there are two discussions. We can edit our post if we have written it ourselves. We can also reply to our post by clicking on reply button. So if I've completed this activity, I go on to word help and I complete the other activities and I can click on something and work on it. I click on all of these activities. And if I go back, to go back onto the lesson unit, what I have to do is I have this purple bar out here, right below the My Desk, etc. There is a yellow button here, see, right? I have to click on this yellow button to go back. That's all I have to do. I have to take my mouse here and click on this yellow arrow, and I can go back. Where will it take me? It will take me to lessons. And notice, since I completed all the activities, all my lessons are completed, and it gives me a green tick mark against all these activities that I have completed. What do I do when I have completed all these activities? If you notice and you go to something called overview, you will find that in overview there is this page called which tells you how many lessons there are, how many members there are. It also gives you this thing of progress report. Notice at the end of it, you have something like the progress report. You have to click on the progress report. Once you click on the progress report, this is the kind of page that you will get. It will show you the progress, and this is the page you will get. It will show me as blue whale, because I am the one logged in, how many points I have gained, how many lessons I have completed, how much of the interactions I have done. And as I scroll down, I can also see what kind of performance I have got, what is the kind of interactions made by me, what kind of gallery uploads I have made, what is a note making, etc. I can see my progress report right there, right? How else can I see my progress report? I can see my progress report if you go onto my desk and you click, instead of on continue, you click on my performance. I can click on my performance and this is what will happen. This is the kind of page that I will get, which will tell me how many points I have in each of the courses I'm enrolled in. In physics, I have just 5. In English Beginner Unit 1, I have 0. In English Beginner Unit 0.1, I have 60. If I click here to see the details, all I need to click here, and what I will get is this kind of a report chart. And I can close it. It will automatically give me all the interactions that I got and in on this page, right? Where I had the progress report and it told me what all I got. So I can view my performance in two different ways. What else can I do on this platform as a student? As a student on this platform, I have other resources, right? You have resources, gallery, notebook. If you click on resources, the kind of resources that are uploaded by on the platform are available for us to see. So we can click on it and see what kind of resources there are, and you can use them. If I click on gallery, if I click on gallery, I could be taken to the page where I can have folders. One, a poster of whatever has been uploaded. Another, I can actually add a folder and it will take me to a folder name. And I have to type blue whale, or if I have a name, another name, blue whale 2 in that sense, and the display name can be blue whale uh, demo 2, and I can enter a description which says images I like, and I can then just go ahead and click on the save button, which is at the top. Once I have done that, I can go onto an image and I can click on add file. That's what can happen. I can add a file, I can select, I can choose from any of these files. I can open, I can enter the name, and once I have done it, I can look at it.